warm welcome, everybody, to the first Humboldt Communication Lab.
Hello, everyone, and it's Dobre Utro in Russian.
I come from the northeast part of India.
I work for the Chinese news agency.
I'm from Lithuania.
I'm a long-time journalist based in Bangkok.
Probably we will talk about the next 2 hours now. Because
it's a phenomenon that brings together science, society, and politics.
I always say, tell me why this matters and why I should care.
Scientists play the role of a lighthouse, and the science communication, the role of the light.
The one and only Marcus Gabriel.
Thank you very much for having me. It's a great pleasure to see you all. It would have been great to meet you in persona rather than in Corona.
Cherie will be listening in, she'll be watching, and every day she'll be producing some graphics that mirror our